Buildings create about 40% of the world's carbon emissions. Unless we change how we design and build right now, climate change will become irreversible. The AIA 2030 commitment supports a network of architecture firms working together to make carbon neutral a design standard by 2030. Hundreds of firms, from sole proprietors to international design firms, are leading the effort to reduce building energy consumption and get to zero across their entire portfolio. Joining the 2030 commitment is simple. We provide the tools, resources, and community you need to design carbon-neutral projects and become a climate leader. Every architecture professional can play a role, and every project can be a catalyst for change. Let's get to zero together. Visit aia.org/2030 commitment.